In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TradingView background. This is a useful skill to personalize your charting experience, making your workspace not only functional, but visually appealing as well. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open up a chart. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and launch the TradingView website or the app, depending on your preference. Once you're there, load up any chart you want to work with. It doesn't matter which one, as the background settings are universal across all charts. Now, here's where we start to customize. Focus your attention on the chart area and go ahead and right-click with your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This will open up a new window filled with various options that control different aspects of your chart's appearance and functionality. Once you have the Settings menu open, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see various sections. You're going to want to click on the section called Canvas. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your chart's background. Inside the Canvas settings, you'll see a specific option for background. This is where we can really start to get creative. You'll notice several options at your disposal here. You can choose to set a new solid color for your background, which can add a fresh and clean look to your charts. If solid colors aren't your thing, or if you're looking for something a bit more dynamic, you can opt for a gradient. A gradient can give your charts a sleek, modern appearance that can be both soothing on the eyes and professionally stylish. For those of you who want to add a personal touch, TradingView allows you to upload a custom image to use as your background as well. To get started on any of these options, just click on the color Pick or Square, and your customization journey begins. Remember, when selecting a background, consider the visibility of your chart elements like lines and text. You want a background that enhances your chart but doesn't distract from the important data or make it hard to read. Play around with different looks until you find one that feels just right for your trading needs and aesthetic preferences. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily alter your TradingView background to better suit your style, making your trading experience not only more comfortable, but uniquely your own. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can enjoy your personalized chart viewing on TradingView. Happy trading!